Hi, I'm Becca, Chief Executive of the Welsh Revenue Authority. I wanted to share some of our highlights from our recently published annual report and accounts. Since 2018, we've collected more than £2.7 billion for Wales, nearly £400 million in the last year alone. That money goes back into public services like the NHS and schools in communities right across Wales. Raising revenue is vital, and I'm proud of how we do it. We start from a position of trust. We believe most people genuinely want to get things right. When mistakes happen, we make it easy to put things right and take action where needed. That's our approach, and it's at the heart of everything we do. Looking ahead, we're taking on 2 new services, the Visitor Levy and Visitor Accommodation Registration. This past year has been about laying the groundwork, and we're now focused firmly on delivery. Diolch yn fawr to our people, partners and service users for being part of our journey.